me. What were you saying? Hey, buddy, what are you saying to Mama? Can you tell Mama? What'd you do today? Tell me, what did you do today? Did you play? What else did you do? Say hi, Mama. Say hi, Mama. There's no food on here yet. You don't have any food on here yet. Just some toys. You're too little to eat the food. You're not going to say hi? I bet if I walk away, you will. Thank you. Let me see. Let me see your face. Drool baby. I love you. You can't lick the camera. No, you can't lick the camera. Daddy said no, you can't lick the camera. Daddy said you can't lick the camera. No, you can't lick the camera.